Hey folks, Big John the Dream Maker here at 44 Mart, Bardstown, Kentucky. We're located at 998 Frost Avenue. We're the original Bardstown location. But we got some great deals down here. And my name's Big John the Dream Maker, and I'm going to make your dream come true on this one right here. I've got a diamond in the rough. This is my good old SUV of the month. This is a 2003 Ford Expedition. I'm going to start off with the motor. It's got the 4.6 V8. This thing's a workhorse. They've had no problems with this motor whatsoever. It gets good fuel mileage. You can't hardly beat it. This is the eight passenger vehicle. You got 2 in the front, 3 in the middle, and 3 in the back. So that's an 8 passenger vehicle. Those are hard to come by. It's got the cloth interior. I'm gonna have Scott come around. He's gonna show you this. You got the center console. This thing's got 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, low and high. It's got the pedal adjustments. You can make the pedals come backwards or forwards. So that's kind of a neat little feature we got. You've got front and rear air. You got front and rear air here. You got different controls for the front people and back seat people. This has got fairly new tires on it, so you won't need to get any rubber. Now this is for a large family. You get 8 passengers, you can't beat it. And the other thing is, like Scott just put that seat down here. These back seats will also go down, and then those go down, so you got the whole back end for hauling stuff, which is a very good feature when you're going camping. And this will pull a boat, trailer, camper. You got a tow hitch on the back. Plenty of storage back here in the back. There's your jack and all that stuff is right in there. Spare tires underneath. Closes it up like this. Coming around. Your tires. Easy access in and out. This is diamond and rough, no rust. This thing's in really good shape. Well taken care of, folks. I'm going to tell you what we're going to do here. Come on around front. I believe we got the price on the front here. We got, looks like it's $89.44. I'll tell you what, the Dream Maker's going to make your dream come true. Watch this. We just cut $1,000 off it. Watch this. $1,000. $79.44. We're here to sell vehicles. So come see us, Big John the Dream Maker, 998 Frost Avenue, Bardstown, Kentucky. The phone number, 502-331-0171. When you come in, ask for Big John the Dream Maker. Goodbye, and I'll see you on another vehicle shortly. Thanks a lot.